Hello, my name is Jacqueline Michelle Norris, and this is my introductory video for AEP 858. So my personal reflection, again, my name is Jacqueline. I go by Michelle Norris. I've been married for 23 years. I have 3 children. I enjoy sewing, gardening, cooking, sewing again, and science fiction. You'll see that I really do like Superman. He fights for truth, justice, and the American way. And I think it's funny, in my classroom, one of my students has a quote up on a poster that they made, and it says, "Mrs. Norris is extremely patriotic, don't mess with her." And it's true, I am. So I guess don't mess with me. I'm also a professionally trained opera singer. My education, I'm in my 16th year of teaching. Right now I teach 8th grade science. I absolutely love it. I love astronomy and chemistry and forces of motion, Newtonian physics. And I also teach 8th grade sports medicine, and I really enjoy that class too. I love seeing children become empowered to take care of themselves to prevent injuries and how to treat injuries. I am 2 classes away from graduating from FHSU with my master's in administrative studies, and I'm in the aspiring administrators program at my school in Douglas County, and I'm also mentoring a new teacher, which is kind of fun for this year. So my goals, I have a couple different goals for different time periods, but I'd like to transition to administration. It says 2 to 3 years, but I'm thinking probably closer to 1 to 3 years. And I would really like to be a principal in elementary school. Elementary school is where I started, and I just have a real connection with the younger kiddos. After I finish my journey in education, at least teaching for the public schools, I'd really like to pursue a doctorate in astronomy. It's my passion, and I think that's where I'm going to end up doing for a fun time. My reasons to be administrator kind of changed over a little while. At first, I didn't want to be an administrator. I just wanted to find out why they were making decisions they made. And then I got through the program and I could see myself being a principal, and then I subbed as a week as a principal, and it was just, I knew it was a really powerful instruction week, and I learned so much. So, the zone of proximal development isn't just really for students, it's really for adults. It's that walking that razor's edge. It's understanding the differences between everything's in order and everything's in chaos, and walking that fine line so you're not bored and you're not too overwhelmed. And I just really enjoy helping people become the best version of themselves. Transition. So, critical reflection. Now, my district uses data to inform their instructional decisions. It starts with an accountability office, and the Douglas County School District has an accountability office where they comply with federal and state accountability requirements, and also the Nevada Revised Statutes codes. So the administrative oversight includes number of school days, class sizes, enrollment, attendance, graduation rates, truancy, and principal achievement, to name a few. Additionally, our district uses a lot of Google Form surveys for stakeholders like parents, community, and staff, and then we frequently have town hall meetings for big decisions like we are getting ready to switch to standards-based grading. So my personal knowledge of daily instructional decisions include what's best for my students. So I'll start with the left, my instructional practices, digital pre-tests and post-test guide my instruction, and then the standards-based tasks that are usually common-based assessments are utilized. For my professional responsibilities, currently I'm in a mentoring program, as I said, with a new mentee, and I'm also in the Inspiring Administrator program, and both of these I collect data on to assess my growth. Now, to enhance my knowledge of data and data analysis, I suppose this class is going to be full of research, and I look forward to that. I like research. So I'm going to be relying a lot on the resources provided in the modules. I'm also going to be learning from fellow students, so I look forward to that. And I really want to make sure I'm always following the best practices models of FHSU, of course, and my school district, Douglas County School District. And that's where we're going with that. My references are included here. And I'd like to thank you. I look forward to learning from and with you. Thank you.